Okay, All City Auctioneers here with lot number T1022 for our April 10th, 2022 online auction. We've got another case loader here. It's a case 590 Super N 4x4 loader, backhoe, Extend-a-Hoe, 4-in-1, four-wheel drive, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, I've got the machine up in the air. It's been sitting like that running for probably about 10 minutes as I was taking all the pictures for the online auction bidding site. So now I'm just going to pop in and show you all the movements there and hopefully show you that everything pretty much works the way it's supposed to. Okay, now I'll take you up there and show you the vehicle, just making it a little bit smaller here so that you're not so hard to pack around. And so yes, this is a government surplus case 590 SN Super N four-wheel drive. It is from one of the local municipalities here in the Metro Vancouver area. Everything seems to move and operate as it's supposed to. Blade looks like it's in pretty decent condition there. All the hydraulics is well lubricated, well maintained. Cylinders all look to be decent. Tires, probably Michelin's. Yes, Michelin's. The fronts look to be really good. Lots of tread left on that. As you can see there, all the grease and whatnot. So I'll just let you look at the loader backhoe. There you go, 2012. So it's registered as a 2013 model. It does have valid, you know, street registration, so it does have to be transferred. You know, all the vehicles and equipment that have registration documents have to be transferred prior to removal. So that's just the $28 transfer fee. It does come with a cleanup bucket. Glass all appears to be in good condition. Pads are a little worn, but you know, that's you know, I guess what you expect probably with doing a lot of road work and whatnot. Rear tires are decent, is what I would say. A couple of pieces of paper there I gotta pull out that I seem to have missed, but I would say decent. You know, I don't know, probably 50-60% left. And again, they are also Michelin's. A few little odds and sods here in the toolbox, you know, a couple of extra pins, road pins, stuff like that. You know, seems to be overall you know, good operating machine. Now I'll pop inside, let you listen to it fire up, and show you all the warning lights that go on and off. You know, so it's got all the dash warning lights pop on, and they all seem to go off once it's been running. So I'll just you know, all the controls there. Here you go, here, Parker Pacific. So yeah, and so here we go. I'll just let you see here. I'm just gonna move you around a little bit more, because there we go. So there you go. All the warning lights go off. Gauges kick in. Full tank of fuel. 6,565.2 hours. Like I said, everything seems to work and operate. You know, the interior here is in pretty decent condition. You know, there's a traveling pin. So yeah, and I'll just put the camera outside here, let you listen. I will put it in gear, because when I was driving it, it did get some belt squeal, so I'll just see if that happens again. No, no belt squeal this time. So yeah, so again, sold as is, whereas. Make sure you know what you're buying, because once you bought it, it's yours. Remember, there's the buyer's fee. Everything must be paid in full, and you know, follow the terms and conditions of the sale. So this item is selling on Wednesday, April the 10th, 2024. We are all city auctioneers, and we're located here in Langley, British Columbia. And yes, highest bid wins. If you're the high bidder, you are the winner. And just one other thing here, I thought there was a, yeah, this back tire here just looks like it needs some air. So I did happen to notice that it was a little bit low. But anyways, yes, all city auctioneers, unreserved.